Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can switch to a professional account on Instagram. So let's get right into it. If you're looking to use Instagram as a, sort of social media for your business, or if you want to expand your client base, if you're a private business owner or something like that, you can very easily switch Instagram to a business account so that you can get some tools which will help you track the traction that you get and will give you some insight on how well your posts are doing and everything. So let me show you how to do it. Firstly, you need to go to your account by tapping your profile picture in the bottom right, and then tap on edit profile. Scroll all the way to the bottom and you'll see this option that says switch to professional account. You just want to hit that, and once you've hit that, then you need to go through this entire process. Just click continue, and then you need to select which best describes you. I'll select a video creator and then click done, and then once that's done, your account will be switched to a professional one, and you can select whether you want to be a creator or a business. I'll select business, and then I'll select further, just continue. Then you need to confirm your email. I'll just click don't use my contact info, don't link to Facebook, and then you need to use these sort of set up options to set up your account. You need 4 of 6 to complete everything, or well, not everything, but to have access to everything that you need, and that's pretty much all there is to it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.